Our mission as stewards of social justice and economic opportunity is to ensure that every citizen, regardless of their circumstances, has access to the support and resources they need to lead dignified and productive lives.
The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is focused on some key priority actions in the 2024-2025 fiscal year. They include developing Jamaica's human capital by providing opportunities for the vulnerable, ensuring inclusivity for persons with disabilities, and service improvement.
A US $20 million investment will be made to enhance the effectiveness and expand coverage of our social protection programs through the Social Protection for Increased Resilience and Opportunity Project, SPIRO.
Social protection is also being advanced through the Innovation Transformation Project, ITP. This prioritizes improvements in technology use, innovation, and automation across all processes in the ministry.
We interface with the most vulnerable in our country, and our goal is to make sure that we are as efficient and effective as possible in serving them.
Experts in the private and public sectors have been appointed to an ITP steering committee to provide strategic direction and oversight. Phase 1 will focus on greater use of digital payments for PATH, pension, and other social benefits. A NIS portal for contribution tracking will also be developed, as well as mobile application for the Overseas Employment Program. And the work permit system will be modernized to eliminate the need for paper-based applications, significantly reducing processing times and creating a more robust and integrated system. To further enhance service delivery, the ministry will be working with eGov to improve the NIS Life Certificate verification process. This will be piloted in the third quarter of the financial year.
Additionally, we are taking steps to introduce an automated process to make it easier for domestic workers and other non-PAYE persons to pay their NIS contributions.
The number of specialized personnel available to work with children with disabilities in Manchester and Trelawney is to be increased. Interns will also be trained and moved up the ladder into permanent employment in these specific fields of need.
Through the JCPD, we will be partnering with the Faculty of the Built Environment at the University of Technology to conduct a peripheral accessibility audit of ministries in the new school year. I want to announce today that all these initiatives will now form part of the core of a new campaign. A campaign to change the thinking and approach towards persons with disabilities. It is to be called I Am Able. The I Am Able initiative will increase awareness, improve access, and integrate our persons with disabilities across all sectors in our society.
Another groundbreaking initiative is the Jamaica Partnership Program that is designed to uplift the elderly, persons living with disabilities, and low-income families.
There is no greater cause than uplifting each other. This is how we will leave no one behind. We can proudly say that Jamaica is one of the best performing countries in the labor market recovery within Latin America and the Caribbean region. We continue to work through our electronic labor exchange and labor market information system, which is an online platform designed to connect job seekers with employers and also to collect data that we can use in terms to define better decisions and better policies.
4 major improvements will be made in this area. The electronic labor exchange platform will be rebranded as jamaicajobs.gov.jm. A robust public sensitization program will be launched in social and traditional media. There will also be an increase in the number of job fairs, career workshops, and recruitment drives across the country. And a major partnership is being explored with Microsoft to enhance data on critical labor market supply and demand. For several years, the Overseas Employment Program has been a beacon of opportunity for approximately 15,000 Jamaicans annually who are placed in jobs in Canada and the United States of America. The ministry continues to facilitate this while ensuring conditions are favorable for the workers.
We are also responding to the evolving global landscape, and we have initiated the digital transformation of the Farm Work Program. Imagine that. This includes the development of an online portal that streamlines the application process, provides real-time updates, and facilitates better communication between the ministry, the workers, and the employers. We are listening. We are learning. We are improving. And as the People's Ministry, we will be taking our services across Jamaica and working to ensure no one is left behind.